The JAYS Q7 headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Q7 over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones by JAYS. This is a new model that features active noise cancellation. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, audio cable and micro USB cable, and the carrying pouch. The Q7 features 30 hours of listening time with ANC off and 20 hours with ANC on, 2 hours to fully charge, Bluetooth 5.0 and SBC codec, 40mm dynamic drivers, and its over-the-ear design. Micro USB for charging, and it has active noise cancellation and the hear-through feature. The Q7 is fairly light and has a sleek minimalistic design to it. You can see the ear markings on the bottom of the headband. The ear cups do swivel out and it's padded very well with a leather type cover. The headband also has sufficient padding throughout, and you can see the stitching on the top. Each side of the headband you get a good amount of travel for the adjustments. It moves smoothly and it doesn't click through the various lengths. And you can see it's very flexible, so this should accommodate various head sizes with no issues. On the outer face of the ear cups it has a matte finish and the branding is printed. On the left side you'll find the ANC on and off button and the ANC LED. On the right side the outer face is the same with the branding, and here you'll find additional controls. You have the microphone, power LED, the power, play, pause, and call function buttons, volume up and next track, volume down and previous track, 3.5mm input, and the micro USB charge port. Navigating the controls can take some getting used to, as the power button and the volume buttons have multiple functions. It's a matter of holding or pressing a few times to get the desired functions. The Q7 weighs in at 223 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It's not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
It's not fair to you, I know, and I'm sorry I can't let it go. There's something desperately wrong with me. Hush, don't tell me what's going on. Hush.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the JAYS Q7 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality during calls was okay, nothing exceptional. Callers had no issues hearing me. Pairing process was instant and there were no issues. When testing video with an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the JAYS Q7 headphones, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I like the overall comfort as the headphones are very light. It has adequate padding on the ear cups and headband. It doesn't feel tight and adjustment is very easy. I had no issues wearing it for extended periods of time. Build and quality is solid. I like the overall design, simple and sleek looking. The only thing that may be an issue is the ear cups. I feel that the opening may be a bit small compared to some of the over-the-ears that I've reviewed in the past. I would have preferred a more oval shape. Button controls can be a bit tricky in the beginning as there's multiple functions on a single button. The active noise cancellation feature worked well and it blocked out a decent amount of the ambient noise. And the hear through feature lets in a good amount of the surrounding noise as well. Now let's talk about sound. Starting off with the bass, it is definitely prominent. It's very heavy and tight. Accurate and not overwhelming. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and you get good separation. Vocals and instruments stand out. It's not too forward, but it's pretty balanced throughout. You may have picked up some of the details in the music samples. It did well with various music genres that I tested it with, and it was a pleasant listening experience. Overall, I think these are a solid pair of headphones. You get the premium feel with the build and design, and the sound definitely doesn't disappoint. This is a good alternative to the higher end brands for a fraction of the cost. So that is my review of the JAYS Q7 headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.